In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a shortcut to open in Microsoft Edge. First, you will want to open Windows settings. To do this, click on the Start menu, which is usually located at the bottom left of your screen. You might see a gear icon, which represents settings. Simply click on that icon and the settings window will appear. This window is essential because it allows you to customize various settings on your computer. Once you see the settings menu, you will have access to a variety of options that can enhance your computer experience. Take your time to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it will be your gateway to making important changes. Next, go to the Apps section within the Windows settings. You can find it on the left sidebar. Click on Apps and a new screen will bring up options related to applications installed on your computer. This is a crucial step because it will direct you to where you manage default applications. Managing default apps is significant because it determines which programs will open when you click on certain file types or links. This way, you can customize your browsing experience to match your preferences. From there, select Default Apps. This option is usually located at the top of your screen within the Apps section. Clicking on Default Apps will show you a list of different categories, including web browsers. This is vital because it allows you to assign Microsoft Edge as your primary browser, ensuring that your links and web files open in Edge by default. You will see various options like email, music player, and web browser listed here. This makes it very clear which applications are controlling certain file types. Now, look for Microsoft Edge in the web browser section. If Edge is already installed, it should be visible here. Click on it to select it. If it is not currently set as your default browser, this action is important because it allows you to change it to Edge. Setting Edge as your default browser means that every time you click on a link, it will automatically open in Edge. This makes your browsing experience seamless and more efficient. After that, click on Set Default. This option may also be labeled as Assign Edge as the default for HTTP, HTTPS, HTML, and other web file types. You may need to check multiple file types to ensure that Edge is set as the default for all relevant formats. This is crucial because it guarantees that all web links and associated file types will open in Microsoft Edge. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing the need to manually select Edge each time you open a web link. Once that is done, you will see a confirmation appear indicating that Microsoft Edge has been successfully set as your default web browser. This confirmation is your reassurance that the changes you made are now in effect. It's always satisfying to see that validation pop up, confirming your successful actions. Now that you have completed these steps, you can enjoy a more streamlined browsing experience with Microsoft Edge. Remember, this process is simple but important, as it ensures your preferred browser is used for all web-related tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.